This is Abdullah Kashmuli, class CIS 113, database management using SQL, and this is week 10 assignment, which is copying our database into a flash drive in order to be able to reconstruct it again. And I already dropped all the tables, so for the baseball team, and I'm going to redo it again. And the way to do it is by either rerunning the same commands that I ran to create it, or just copy it and create a script for it that when you run it is gonna run everything, even including the keys. So this is a copy from all the commands that I did, which is creating the table for statistics, players, season, team, and then I'm going to change everything into varchar, because the ID is going to be as a combination of characters and numbers, and also add the keys for the tables, and even including the foreign keys. Now to run this, and it says it's going to be 12 commands and script size, and run now. And it's complete. It should have reconstructed all my tables. To go over to browser player. So yes, it did add the primary key. To see statistics, it should have 3 foreign keys and constraints, and it shows here I have 3 foreign keys in this table. And team, it has a primary key for the team ID, and the same for the rest of the tables. It has a primary and foreign key.